Well, hello everybody. Welcome to another episode of What's Randy Doing Today? Well, today I am starting the installation of a 14-foot SunSetter automatic awning, retractable awning. And I'm getting tore up by mosquitoes. So, basically what we have to do, I've modified these brackets here. We've got to hang these brackets underneath here, underneath the eave, so that, look at that mosquito. Ay, ay, ay. But I've noticed something. I have absolutely no structure underneath this anywhere. It's nothing but vinyl. And I'm going to tear it all down and show you what I mean. So I made these funny brackets here to help. And what that's going to do is going to take some of the load when I do get my structure put in here. It's going to fit right in there like that. So as this bracket wants to turn from the weight, it'll be supported by the wall. So that's kind of the objective. But let's get started. I'll pull some of this gutter and fascia off and show you what we're dealing with. Good times. Gutter is off. Moving right along. Fascia siding is off. Now you see the vinyl under the eave, the soffit there. There is absolutely nothing there. Nothing whatsoever. There we go. That's what we're looking at. Unbelievable. Okay, here's my solution. You can see the missing structure that I need to attach to. My solution is I made these blocks that are going to fit up in here. A little bit of persuasion, and they're going to go right up in here. They're going to be glued, screwed, and there's going to be plates up here, screws here, nails here, and I'll have a nice solid structure here that I can screw my bracket into. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, we have the first support structure. Glued, screwed, nailed. It ain't going anywhere. Okay, day 2 of the project. Got late. I worked a couple hours last time. Got the 2 supports over here. I got put 2 in over here. And so tonight I want to take this back down, remove this side, put my supports up in there, and then hopefully this weekend hang the retractable awning. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here we go with the second portion. Got things removed, and I'm ready to proceed with the installation of my custom-made support brackets. Really? Stop filming me.
Well, it's like a really tight squeeze up there, so I was, just showing the camera exactly what you're doing.
All right. I've got my support braces installed on this side. That's exactly how I did it. The other side. So hopefully that's enough. We shall see. Okay, so here we are, day 3 of the installation. I've got one bracket installed. I got to put another one here, and one here, and one here, and we'll be able to hang the awning. We'll see how it goes. It started getting late last time on the last day. It's not 3 full days, maybe a couple hours each day, but anyway, we'll get going. Okay, I've got my brackets attached, all 4 of them, including these. I made these plastic brackets. I had to modify them. Alright, so I just completed the install. So there's the awning hung in place. Had to get 3 people to help me lift it up because of the weight. It's plugged in, ready to go. Got the remote. Let's open it up and see what happens. So far, so good. It's cooler already. All right, one other thing to note is some people may be saying, what do you do if the wind picks up? Good question. So we have a wind sensor, which is this remote control device right here. And what it essentially does, if the wind is really strong and this starts going up and down 3 to 5 times in a 12-second period, it'll automatically retract. So in the old days, they had an anemometer, it spun around. Now they have a new technology, so works great. So I'm going to call this install a success. So the only way to celebrate now is with some refreshment.